Hey there! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm reviewing the pTron Solero M241 micro USB data and charging cable. If you are looking for a reliable and fast charging cable, keep watching to see if this one's worth your money. So, let's take a look at what we get in the box. We have the pTron Solero M241 micro USB data and charging cable, which is made in India. The cable itself is 1 meter long, which is a great length for most users. The first thing I noticed about this cable is its build quality. It's made with a durable PVC outer exterior, which feels sturdy and flexible. Now, let's talk about the features of this cable. It supports up to 2.4 amps of power output, which means it can charge your device quickly. It also supports data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second, which is great for syncing your files. The micro USB port is also well made and fits perfectly into my phone's charging port. I tested the cable's data transfer speeds, and I was impressed with how quickly it transferred files. It's also worth noting that the cable is compatible with most devices that have a micro USB port, including smartphones, tablets, and more. One of the things that sets this cable apart from others is its durability. It's been tested to withstand over 10,000 bends, which is impressive. It's also tangle-free, which makes it easy to use and store. Overall, I'm impressed with the pTron Solero M241 micro USB data and charging cable. It's a reliable and fast charging cable that's built to last. If you are in the market for a new micro USB cable, I'd definitely recommend checking this one out. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and content.